Hey everyone, welcome back to Lord of the Coins. As a gift for the new year, I am still giving away at least 5 free subscriptions into my private trading community for anyone who is subscribed. Just as a thank you for supporting my channel, so leave a comment down below with the word Solana, as it'll help me reach out to you about winning access into the group. So in this video, we'll do a recap from my last few Solana videos and talk about some key critical levels for Solana. So in our last video, I believe it was on January 3rd when we were tapping into this order block, somewhere around here, I mentioned that many altcoins, including Solana, was looking pretty prime for a swing trade. I mentioned that the best confirmations for long triggers, especially for Solana, would be reclaim of a few levels. The main levels that I was looking at for Solana to reclaim were just getting back into the value area, which is this purple area right here. And the best long trigger would be reclaiming the value area high. And you can see that as soon as Solana reclaimed the value area high, just right here, you can see that it made a rather large move up. This is the type of moves that you want to catch. And unfortunately, I can't get this info out to you guys on real-time basis on YouTube. So definitely check out my trading group in the description down below if these are the type of updates that you guys are interested in. But overall, we were pretty healthy riding the VWAP, the weekly and the monthly, and we made a rather large move up here. From top to bottom, this was a 220% gain. So at the moment now, we're looking for some sort of swing failure to get into a short, and then another long entry into Solana. That is my idea here. So we'll discuss what I believe would be the best ideas here. So for Solana, you can see that we actually have 22 minutes left on the 4-hour candle, but if we do get a candle close below this wick right here, we are going to be bearish on Solana. So I am definitely watching this candle right here, and if we do get a candle close here, you can see a move like this that I drew out over here earlier for my private trading community. But we will get another retap into supply here and another move down. I don't think this will be a large move down unless equities and Bitcoin end up dumping. But I think it'll be a small retrace into another large move up as this fair value gap has not been filled. On top of that, this order block has not been filled as well. So what would be some entries for long trades in Solana? In my opinion, there are two areas I'd be looking for. The first area would be here on the range high, just like this. We have our weekly VWAP, our previous week VWAP right here, which is an area of high volume and a H1 order block. So this would be the first area that I'd be looking at, although I wouldn't set limits here, as there are more confluences down in this area. In this area, we have a large volume node right here. We also have the previous month value area high and the previous month VWAP. And then we also have the current month VWAP here, which is this blue line and a broken base. And this is also near the value area high of our previous range. So this would also be a really good area to look for. And if you see price come down here and it's holding the value area high, same thing as like this move, you can probably see a rather large move up here. These would be areas that I'm looking for a long trade. And in terms of a short trade, a lot hasn't really changed. I'm still looking for a short off of this order block just like this, and this is also the value area of our previous range. So I am expecting some sort of rejection off of the value area of the previous range and a tap into this order block before another move down. So if we see price action, this is kind of what I'm expecting if we are bullish. And if we are bearish, we're going to lose this range high and come back down here, and we'll probably just end up ranging again. So this is kind of my short-term, or actually, I guess this is more of a long-term idea for Solana. But in the short term, this is what I'm kind of expecting price action to look like. But it really depends on the next few candles here. Other than that, I don't think there's too much news to go over on Solana. Not much more TA either. This is just my quick general view of where I think price action is heading in the near term for Solana. And I guess in kind of a medium term, if we are bullish, then we are going to need to hold this range high in the long run. If you guys enjoyed this type of quick analysis, please let me know in the comments down below and drop me a like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.